Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong May 2026. General reading, so pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. O kaya naman, you can book directly sa aking link, sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra. Ano yung energies for you? May 2026. May 2026 for Libra. Cycles. Ayan. So some of you, meron kayong matatapos na cycle or parang let's say isang kontrata or isang chapter ng buhay ninyo na nagtatapos and you are ready to start something new. Some of you are manifesting your goals, your dreams. So napaka-importante rin ng paniniwala nyo sa inyong mga pangarap, no? Na magagawa nyo yun. Maaring merong magmamanifest na pangarap ngayong May para sa inyo. Uy, some of you are manifesting a relationship. Ayan o. This can be a soulmate connection na nakilala mo or makikilala mo ngayong May 2026 and you feel na meron kayong very deep connection with this person. Lovers can also mean love for yourself. Ayan, so practicing self-love, self-care. Ano ba yung mga kailangan mo? 'Di ba? Unahin ang sarili, mahalin ang sarili para handa ka na magmahal ng bago. 'Di ba? Ang inyong overall energy, you have the Six of Cups. This is about reconciliation. Some of you merong aayusin na relationship or situation. Pwede itong sa work mo, dati mong trabaho, may aayusin ka. Parang, let's say, nag-AWOL ka, yung tipong hindi ka na pumasok. Siyempre, mas maganda na may closure, di ba? Magre-resign ka para makuha mo yung back pay mo, ganun. Kumbaga, meron kang tatapusin na nangyari sa past. Kumbaga, yung mga unfinished business, ganyan. Yung iba naman, this can be a relationship na you are working on, no, na maayos, may reconciliation. Now, your challenge is the 9 of Wands. So, this is about boundaries, support. So, pwedeng ang isa sa challenge mo is pagsiset ng boundaries sa mga taong nagte-take advantage sa'yo. So, make sure na napoproteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, yung iba kasi pag nakita nila na parang sacrificial ka na, kumbaga lagi kang umuoo sa kanila, ita-take advantage ka eh, 'di ba? So now you are setting boundaries. Although challenging 'yan para sa iyo kasi gusto mo ng harmony na walang naiirita sa iyo o naiinis sa iyo, but that is your way to protect yourself eh. Meron talaga kasing mapagsamantala. Now, your opportunity is the High Priestess. So, this is your dreams, your wisdom. Meron kang opportunity na explore pa ang mga abilidad mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you're into the occult. You are spiritually inclined. Maaring mayroong opportunity for you to go through a major spiritual awakening at ma-realize mo ang iyong mga abilidad sa buhay. Meron kang parang it's like an authority about spirituality for some of you, Libra. Okay? And now, your blessing is the Eight of Pentacles. So, as a blessing, busy ka. Magiging busy ka ngayong May. Maraming trabaho, maraming sources of income. Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy siya. Hindi naman to yung tipong nakaupo ka lang, pero kumikita ka, no? Ito yung ini-effortan mo siya. Okay? So, the more effort that you put in, the more blessings that you will achieve. Yung iba sa inyo, kung gusto niyo magtrabaho, may trabahong darating. Kung gusto niyo mag-aral, may oportunidad na makapag-aral. Okay? So, hard work pays off. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ima-master na skills, abilities that will level up your career or yung finances mo. Okay, let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong career or trabaho or opportunity in the past na akala nyo na nakalagpas na. Oo, parang nalipasan ka na. Pero ito ay babalik. For example, dati may hiring sa company nyo ng posisyon na gusto mo talaga. But for some reasons, hindi ka nakapag-apply. So ngayon, babalik yung oportunidad na yon para sa'yo. And this time, makukuha ka na or ikaw na talaga may magagawa ka ng paraan. Oh, meron ditong closure. Oo, something is closing. Like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, this can be a cycle in your life that is closing. Anything that is no longer serving you, this is closing. No? Tapos na, you are letting go. You are now reclaiming your power. Stepping into your own power. Kung dati hinayaan mo, kumbaga nagparaya ka, kasi akala mo dinideserve nila. Pero ngayon, i-claim mo yung kung ano yung para sa'yo talaga. Oo. Kasi pwedeng may pinagbigyan kayo na, okay, sige, ikaw na muna, isusuportahan kita. Pero na-realize mo na hindi pala niya dinideserve yung tulong mo, yung suporta mo. So this time, ikaw na. Ayan, kung may naririnig ko yung maingay sa background, pasensya na, at yung anak ko maingay siya ngayon. Okay, and then, meron ditong outcome mo, completion. Definitely a cycle in your life that is ending. Meron din ditong culmination, achievement. So, kumbaga, kung ano man tong tinatapos nyo na project, this is finally happening ngayong May. Matatapos na yung project na yan. Or kung ano man tong sinimulan nyo in the past na gustong-gusto nyo nang matapos. Diba, nagpagawa kayo ng bahay. O, ayan. Matatapos na yan finally ngayong May. Rise above it. It's not yours to carry. You are an empath. How can you detach from the drama? O, ayun na nga. Minsan kasi akala natin, kasalanan natin, issue natin, but actually, yung ibang tao ang may kasalanan or issue nila yon. Kaya lang minsan masyado tayong empathetic, nakikisimpatya, parang tayo naka-aapektuhan. Okay? So if it's not your issue, your problems, let that go, mag-detach ka. Okay? Kasi ikaw rin yung maapektuhan in a negative way. Let's see what else. Libra, okay. Transformation. Oh my God. Oh, Libra energy. You have Pluto in Libra in the 8th house. So this is definitely a major ending and new beginning for you. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa relationship mo or sa finances, sa trabaho. Okay? So this is a new you, a brand new you ngayong May. So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.